Good day, everyone. This is our topic, which is logarithmic functions. This is a sample problem d over dx ln x raised to 2x raised to 5. First, let's write down f of s is equal to ln x 2x raised to 5. Then, after that, let us multiply both sides with ln. X raised to 5. Then let us bring down the exponent, which goes like this. After that, we will derive this using product rule. F prime of s, fs. Then let us also derive the 2x raised to 5 to get 10x raised to 4. Let us cancel out the x and x. This will be 2x raised to 4. And again, write down f prime of s over f of s. Then let us simplify. Let us multiply both sides with f of s to cancel out this f of s, which is at the denominator. To do that, let us write it first. Multiply by f of s. Then let us cancel out this and this. Then rewrite it again. Then x raised to 4 times f of s. Then what we should do next is we should replace f of s with our equation. Equal to quantity 2x raised to 4 over ln x plus ln times ln x times 10 x raised to 4 plus ln x 2x raised to 5. And this is our final answer. Our next topic is trigonometric functions. This is our equation, which is x raised to 4 y plus sine times tangent 4x, and it is equal to x y raised to 5. Since it is with respect to x, we are going to find the equivalent of our y prime, and we will use product rule, which is u dv plus v du. This would be our u, this would be our v, same as here, u and v. First, let us copy x raised to 4, then derive the y, which is y prime, then derive the x, then copy the y, plus let us derive sine, which is cosine, copy the angle, then derive tangent. The derivative of tan is negative secant squared, then copy 4x. Next, let us derive 4x, which is 4. This equals to, this should be our next. Copy the x, derive the y raised to 5, times y prime, plus derive the x, which is 1, and then copy the y raised to 5. And let us multiply x raised to 4 times y prime is x4 y prime, plus 4x raised to 3 times y is 4x cube y. Then multiply negative 4 with cosine, it would be equivalent to negative 4 cosine. Copy this tangent 4x secant squared 4x equal to, multiply this as well, 5x y raised to 4 times y prime, plus y raised to 5. Then put together the terms with y prime, transpose x raised to 4 y prime minus 5x y raised to 4 y prime times y prime. This equal to negative 4x raised to 3 y plus 4 cosine, copy the angle, Then next would be to factor out the y prime. For x. No, I mean x raised to 4 minus 5x y raised to 4 is equal to negative 4x cubed y plus 4 cosine tangent 4x second squared 4x. Let us let us divide both sides with x raised to 4 minus 5x y raised to 4. Let us cancel out this. Let us write it down. Write down our final answer, I mean. Over x raised to 4 minus 5x y raised to 4. And this would be our final answer. Our next topic is exponential function. This is our problem, which is y is equals to x raised to 6 e raised to 5x squared. We are going to use product rule. First, we will copy x raised to 6 and also e raised to 5x squared. Then derive 5x squared plus copy e raised to 5x squared and derive the x raised to 6. 6x y prime is equal to, let us multiply 10x and x raised to 6, and it is equivalent to 10x raised to 7. Copy this squared plus multiply these terms, which would be 6x raised to 5 e raised to 5x squared. Then let us find the factors of these given numbers. Y prime is equal to 2x raised to 5 quantity 5x raised to 2 plus 6. Then copy e raised to 5x squared. And this is our final answer. Our last topic would be maxima and minima. This is our problem. What is the maximum possible area of a rectangular garden using 40 feet of fencing? First, let us sketch a figure for this problem. Sorry for the drawing. This would be y and this would be x. Then we will write the formula of area, and it is equal to the product of the length and the width, or x, y. 40 feet is the perimeter of our rectangular garden. This whole rectangular garden is equal to 40 feet. Let us substitute the area 40. It is equal to the sum of the sides, or is equal to 2x plus 2y. Let us continue solving. 20 is equal to x plus y. X is equal to 20 minus y. We just need to transpose to get x is equals to 20 minus y. Then let us substitute this to our equation, which is a is equal to 20 minus y times y. Further simplification, I mean, yeah, 20 y minus y squared. Then we would, since we reduced it to one variable, we will get the derivative of the area with respect to y. It is equal to 20 minus 2y. Derivative of 20y is 20, and the derivative of 2y squared is 2y. Let us equate this to 0. Now 0 is equal to 20 minus 2y. Then we will transpose 20 to 0. It will become negative 20 is equals to negative 2y. Then divide both sides by negative 2 to get 10 is equal to y. Or yeah, this is the equivalent of y. Now let's try to get the x. Getting the x is going to be easier because we just need to get the value of x, which is 20, minus the y which is 10. So the value of x is equals to 10. Then let us get the maximum possible area for this rectangular garden. Let us just multiply x and y is equals to 10 times 10 is equal to 100, and our unit for this would be feet squared. This would be our final answer.